I'm showing here one building that's located in Hollywood, 12S. That's a waterfront building. This is a one-bedroom apartment. They're able to rent for short-term Airbnb. Okay, and this can be rented for $200 a day easily, or even more. And they do have a renovated floor. They do have hurricane impact windows. Okay, they have a very nice balcony, and then you have some water view here. You're able to see boats. The other side you have the ocean view. You have very nice amenities. As you can see here, the bedroom. It's a very nice apartment. It's very cute. Let's take a look in the amenities. And here, for you to take a look, that's the gym. It's a very nice size, a very nice gym. You have this view here from outside. Let's take a look in the beach. Here you come the way to the pool and the beach. That's the building here. The unit is facing the ocean. It's about $100,000 more. This is a very hot and sunny day. It's a beautiful green area. Here is the beach. Like I said to you, sunny day. You have a very nice cabana here. That's the building. It's a beautiful, beautiful sunny day. And they have a business center here if you decide to come to work. They have also one coffee shop, the name is Enjoy. There's a convenience store. They have all these very nice menus over there. And they have all this good stuff here. It's a very nice setup. And they have a small convenience store here.
Do you guys have a can opener for this? Or no? Do you have a can opener for this?
Here we have the lobby from the building. And the 24-hour security. And then you have the valet. Very nice layout.